What's going on, guys? This is Rich with Gator Pit Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. We're out there, Houston, Texas. I'm going to walk you through a cooker that probably no one has ever seen before. This is based off of our Meat Slinger 36 on our website at gatorpit.net. It is right there behind me, and it's going to have a unique feature on there. Like I said, I don't think anybody's ever designed one or has even much less made one that I've seen or know of. And we did this for a catering company in Oklahoma, the state of Oklahoma. And I'm going to spin this camera around, and we're going to walk you through this unique Gator Pit custom pellet grill slash dual burner. So here we go. I am back. Here we go, guys. Gator Pit Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Ritch Robin here. Let's find out what we have coming out the Gator Pit today. Bam! Look at that, man. This thing is 9 feet long, guys. 9 feet long, and it's 60 inches wide. Outside golf cart wheel to outside golf cart wheel. This is a big cooker. It is a pellet grill, pellet smoker, whatever you choose to call it. It's got the Pellet Pro Smoke Daddy 35-pound hopper on the side, PID controller, meat probe, stainless steel upgrades, all the good stuff in there, right? We've got the Meat Slinger 36 size, dual Gator Pit commercial gauges, the large adjustable birdhouse smokestack, signature stack to Gator Pit. And we've got, of course, these big bad ass golf cart wheels on here. Look at the frame on this thing. Guys, I framed this out the same as we do our big actual trailers, our tow behinds. That's 1/4 inch thick, 2x2 square tubing, all reinforced, guys. We have 2K axles on here that we made in-house. We make these axles ourselves, guys. They're made out of the same 1/4 2x2 square tubing with 2K spindles and 2K hubs on a 4-lug golf cart wheel. Over here we've got 160K BTU burners. That's each 160,000 BTUs. That's enough to boil 80 quart pots without a doubt, and also fry turkeys, guys. Put your turkey pot on there and fry turkeys and sell them for Thanksgiving, Christmas. This pit is gorgeous. It's beautiful. The couple is here from Oklahoma to pick it up. They're on their way to the U-Haul store right now to pick up their trailer and haul this back to Oklahoma. The back side has your gas inlet with a stainless steel quick connect hose. Sometimes they're rubber, sometimes they're stainless. It depends on the availability of our suppliers, guys. And with COVID right now, we only get what we can get at the time that we need it. Sometimes it's rubber, sometimes it's stainless. I just want to emphasize that, because if you order a gas burner from us, sometimes it may have the rubber hose, sometimes it may have the stainless hose. That's why, because our suppliers, our distributors are not consistent in their inventory. Right now it's hard to get some of those gas parts. The lines on here are a 1/2 inch gas pipe, along with copper and brass ball valves to control your flame. We've got a T-handle here. Pull that pin, that T-handle can fold down, and then you can steer this thing. And they do have bump stops on there. There are bump stops down there, so you can't oversteer it, right? Bump into your gas lines, bump into your frame. The steering mechanism is the same as a 2K trailer hub. That is a 2K trailer hub, 4-lug, with packed greasable bearings in there. All right, this thing steers extremely easy, guys, based on that. We don't use bolts or shims or washers in a bolt for our steering mechanisms. Guys, you'll never replace that. I'll tell you right now, you'll never replace that. That's made to go down the highway at highway speeds for thousands of miles. You're not doing that, all right? Let's get inside this thing. Oh, well, hey, let's get over here with the hopper again. This one has a stainless steel upgraded hopper. Smoke Daddy makes 2 hoppers. One's the Patriot. If you go to their website, you'll see that. One's the Patriot, and one is this one here, which is, I believe they call this one the original. Again, subject to availability, depending on which one you're going to get, guys. So Smoke Daddy sometimes has both in stock. Sometimes they only have one or the other, okay? We get what we can get from them, okay, at the time that we place our orders on their hoppers. Just throwing that out there to you. This one's got the stainless steel top, and it's got all the internals there that you see. Owner's manual, meat thermometer that sticks into your controller down here. All that's going to come with your either one of the hoppers you get that, right? But also either one of the hoppers you're going to get the stainless steel internal upgrades on the fire pot, right? So really the only thing difference between this and the Patriot is going to be, the Patriot's going to be powder coated. Primarily, that's really your difference. The Patriot is made in the USA. I'm not sure where this is made, but Smoke Daddy advertises the Patriot's made in the USA, so I'm assuming that one is made elsewhere. Your internals are all going to be the same parts, same components from the same manufacturers, I'm pretty sure. So only the hopper itself, the outside, the shell, is made different places. Let's get inside this thing. Big, baby, big, big, big. I love it. Look at that badass. 1/4 inch thick steel, guys. 1/4 inch. You got 4 sliding meat racks. These meat racks are huge, 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 huge. 1/4 inch thick steel here. Beautiful welds, guys. Look at these welds. Gorgeous, beautiful, perfect welds. All the way around. Internal door flanging, reinforcement. Sliding meat racks. Let's get down in the heart of this thing. Down there you got an 11 gauge grease pan that is removable, and below the grease pan there's an 11 gauge heat shield. Those are reinforced as well to prevent them from warping under heat, intense heat, okay? They're not the little thin box store heat shields and grease pans, right? These are 11 gauge, custom made, right here, and they are reinforced to keep them from twisting or warping under that high heat, right? Pretty cool, guys, pretty cool. Shut it back down, stainless steel cool touch handles. Of course, all the good stuff that comes with Gator Pit, right? The normal stuff. Quality construction's all there. You got a little drip shelf here we put in the front. And you got a drain down there. There is a 2-inch drain down there. So all your grease is channeled out that drain. Put your bucket there to catch all that. Check out these golf cart wheels. I'm talking about subject to availability. Golf cart wheels are the same thing, guys. They're kind of scarce to get as well. So sometimes we get the kind of the polished aluminum with the powder coat black. Lately we've been getting what I call gunmetal, which is what you see here. I like either one of them. These are the only ones I could actually get at the time that we needed to build this pit, right? So again, those are subject to availability, but no matter what you order as far as a golf cart kit, leave it up to me and I'm gonna find you some badass wheels like I did here. All right, you're not gonna get some cheesy ass looking little golf cart wheels on there. I'm not gonna cheap out on you on the golf cart kit, right? I'm gonna find you some nice wheels like I did this customer right here. But anyway, get around the back and look at this thing. Let's look at it from the side. Kind of looks like a locomotive, doesn't it? From the front or the back. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, there you go, guys. My contact information. You want one of these or anything similar to it? It's what we do, guys. Been doing this for what, 30-something years. I've had Gator Pit since 1991. I've been building pits since I was 14 years old, and I'm 55 come this July. That's a long ass time, guys, to be doing this. Chances are I've probably already done what everybody else is trying to figure it out, right? Probably already done that. Again, another unique custom out of Gator Pit. So there you go, guys. Gator Pit of Texas, custom barbecue pits. I'm Ritch Robin. We designed this cooker, like I mentioned earlier, for our client in Oklahoma who's got a catering company, a catering business. And they're at the U-Haul store picking up their trailer right now, and they should be back here within the hour to get this loaded up. And he and his wife are gonna head back to Oklahoma, and they should be catering and cooking by the weekend. See ya. Well, there they go. Out the Gator Pit shop. Off to this new home, catering in Oklahoma. Meat Slinger with dual burners. See ya.